The market theme: sticky inflation and oil price rise again. 1. US CPI inflation reaches 3-year high. 2. WTI oil prices spike above $101 a barrel. Our call of the day: Nifty bear is likely to be everywhere as the Strait of Hormuz is still in mess. The next two big catalysts. 1. Youth HES. President Donald Trump is scheduled to visit Beijing on May 14 to 15 for a high-stakes summit with Chinese President Xi Jinping. Geopolitical tensions, particularly trade tariffs, Taiwan, the Iran war, and artificial intelligence (AI), loom over the upcoming meeting. Market participants and geopolitical observers increasingly believe that Xi may enter the summit from a position of relative strength as Washington seeks Beijing's cooperation on global trade stability, rare earth supplies, and the Strait of Hormuz crisis, while China continues to leverage its economic and strategic influence. 2. US PPI inflation, Wednesday, 13th May. Bottom line: expect Dalal Street to trade with negative bias and shall continue to be highly headline-driven, as investors closely track crude oil prices, inflation trends, central bank commentary, geopolitics, and Q4 earnings for fresh direction. Technically, Nifty's make-or-break support remains at the psychological 23,100 mark. Market trends. Global cues are negative. FIIs sold Rs. 1,959 crores of shares in yesterday's negative session. DIIs, on the other hand, bought shares worth Rs. 7,990 crores. Sentiment is likely to waver. Market breadth is expected to be negative. Technicals suggest breakdown for Nifty. F&O data for May suggests Nifty's trading action for May likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX shot higher towards 19.28, up plus 9.93%. USD INR futures for May expiry at 95.76. Nifty PCR at 1.00. Bank Nifty PCR at 0.70. FI Nifty PCR at 0.53. Midcap Nifty PCR at 1.17. Nifty outlook: Nifty may waver a bit with negative bias, but confirmation of strength only if oil prices cools off. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty closing price 23,380. Support seen at 23,100 on closing basis. Resistance at 23,781 mark on closing basis. Range is likely to be between 23,100 to 23,700 zone. Bias is neutral. Sensex closing price at 74,559. Support seen at 74,300 mark on closing basis. Resistance at 76,287 mark on closing basis. Range is likely to between 73,800 to 75,000 zone. Bias is likely to be neutral. Bank Nifty closing price 53,555. Support seen at 52,863 on closing basis. Resistance seen at 56,500 mark. Range is likely to be between 53,000 to 54,100 zone. Bias is likely to be neutral. Stock market news. For the day, Nifty traders are likely to react negatively to three things. 1. President Donald Trump calling the Iran ceasefire on life support. 2. Rejection of Tehran's latest peace proposal. 3. Reports that the US may consider renewed military action if negotiations fail. Well, the above headlines are raising fears of 1. Hormuz shipping disruptions could last longer. 2. Tanker insurance and freight costs may spike. Physical oil availability could tighten. 3. Energy importing economies like India may face inflation pressure again. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 F26 earnings to trickle in, Wednesday, 13th May 2026. Bharti Airtel. Cipla. DLF. Hind Petro. Keynes. Oil. PFC. TVS Motor.